Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a problem that can sometimes leave developers scratching their heads. The problem at hand revolves around the behavior of explicit specializations in C++ translation units, specifically for variable templates. In a nutshell, while function specializations with internal linkage seem to work just fine, variable specializations are throwing errors in some cases. Quite a conundrum, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the solution to this interesting problem. The compilers in question are actually not behaving as expected. When it comes to explicit specializations, they shouldn't introduce new names. Instead, they should retain the internal linkage from the primary template. This means that the specializations define distinct entities in different translation units, and the linker should have no reason to fuss about it. It's a bit of a head-scratcher why the variable specialization is causing trouble, but hey, that's coding for you. In summary, we've explored a puzzling discrepancy in how compilers handle explicit specializations for function and variable templates in separate translation units. While the function specializations sail through smoothly, the variable specialization hits a snag in some scenarios. It's a reminder that even in the world of programming, unexpected quirks can pop up when you least expect them. Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!